early morning. Yeah, my classroom.
Nandito kami sa park ngayon. Recess time ng mga bata. Hello guys! Today is Friday. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Rachel. She's busy writing on her...
Busy.
Oh, yun.
Finishing this page, nothing that I've done.
Okay.
We can't wait to head to the Philippines.
So, sasaglit lang kami sa labas kasi may aasikasuhin lang kami, and then bibili kami ng konting food for tonight and for Saturday. Anyway, I hope you guys will stick to our video until the end. Please like and subscribe.
Give you a second while there's no car behind me. Look at that. That's all based on the sun, I guess.
Tingnan nyo yan, guys. Dito kami naglakad. Galing sa aming bahay. So anyway, tinanong ko ang...
Most of the bus that was over here.
Yeah.
Still got more to go.
Yeah.
That's one thing I like about Costa Rica. They really keep up. They don't be letting Bosuto be all over the place.
Exactly.
She gave me the number that he wrote down in the paper, which if the Lalaki was helpful, that gave me that paper, he would have wrote the number down for me.
Yeah. Okay, so that's it for our transaction. Tapos na kami sa aming guys, business dito sa Costa Rica. So we will just be waiting for our
Video.
yeah. So we will just be waiting for our flight schedule. Ayan, nakabili na kami ng ticket since nasa Florida pa kami. Anyway, saan tayo, Daddy? Basig maglibot-libot, baka mag-ikot-ikot kami dito, guys, para ma-exercise ang legs natin dyan. Yes, and yeah, samahan niyo na lang kami, guys. Mag-park lang tayo dito sa ating paboritong place para makalabas. Tanawan na, guys. So, kailangan ko pa itong linisin. Linisin ko ito either today or sa Sunday. Diyan lang ang Papa John's. Oh. Hindi ko pa natikman ang Papa John's nila dito. Ewan ko kung pareho lang ba sa sa US ang flavor. Okay, get ready, Rachel.
What that guy does over there.
Maglakad tayo, guys. Gamitin natin itong tripod dito. Yeah, first time ko ito. Sige. Lakasan natin ang loob natin. Dali na, Daddy. Ready na?
Yeah, it's so good.
Ha?
It's so good.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, the guy. There's this guy looking at us. Oh.
So we just parked in the spot.
Nandito kami sa KFC, guys. Naglalaro sa playground nila. Si Rachel, nandun siya. We just left her there. Yan. So, binigyan lang namin siya ng ilang minuto para makapaglaro naman siya. Yeah. It's so funny because me and my husband were just talking about the difference between the equipment, playground equipment here compared to the US. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of times we'll take stuff for granted.
Yeah. It's like you feel so comfortable, right? With what you have. And then once it's gone, that's when you realize the importance, or that's when you appreciate the importance of it.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. It's like over here we just have to enjoy what we have. So we are here, guys. Ayan sa downtown area. Yan, marami sila dito mga store. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Rachel. Saan tayo pupunta? Oh, so scary. Eskwela. So much better na bumili dyan kaysa sa mga store. Oh, dear. 30.
Good way up.
So there,
Ha?
you gotta have to remember when we come back, go up that way to the right, okay?
Yeah, just straight here. Nakalimutan ko yung microphone kasi china-charge ko sa bahay para kanyang release. Para sa those are cute ones. Ito nga pala yung Correios. Yan, parang post office nila. We're just taking a walk, get some sunlight. Right, Daddy?
I have a question though.
Yeah.
Can we take a look at the car if they did to it?
Yes. Yeah, sure. Diyan guys, may Radio Shack dyan.
There's still a lucky over there.
Yeah, and then meron din ditong subway. This is the bank. Mag-cross muna tayo kay delikado. Yan. I like this part of the city. Ito. Yan yung subway nila dyan, oh. Ano lang?
Oh, that reminds me of when we went at the airport and we were waiting and they had that big video with the funny videos comedian. Yeah. That's a Spaniard style.
On the other side, but he wants it straight.
But
You know the red? Was trying to tip it towards the mat. By the way, the mat is supposed to go, but he doesn't want it. Here lang siya.
Barbecue.
será? Será? Yeah, así. Let's sit here for a second. Oh yeah, right here, the nice park. We like to come to a lot. See the Atlantic Beach down there. That's the park we took our daughter to. Nice, beautiful park. Right out there.
Pahinga lang muna kami, guys.
We're taking a rest after a nice long walk. When I was here, when I go here solo,
Ha?
when I go was here solo,
Yeah.
there was a few Pinoy that was
Filipino?
taking
Maybe they came from
photos.
the cruise ship.
Yeah.
Look at the street out
Wow. Look at
It's like a wall.
yeah, exactly.
Wow, that's so cute.
Oh, like some kind of
What do you call call it?
Kind of
Moss?
pine. Kind of pine moss. Don't damage it.
What's that?
May ano pala doon banda guys, oh, may playground. So dadalhin namin si Rachel doon banda kasi may mga ano din doon, may mga playground equipment. Yeah.
Nice, beautiful tree.
Pero si estuvieran produciendo.
So ito guys, I think ito yung pier. Dito nag-pier. Dito nagdadak ang cruise ship guys. Ayan.
I'm working over there.
Oh,
A lot
yeah.
of ships, they come sometimes they dock for a month. He told me the last Pinoy when we were talking at the shop, they said they're gonna be here for about a month.
A month, yes. And then they told me that marami daw mga Pinoy sa sa cruise ship. Sayang hindi ako nagkaroon ng chance na ma-meet sila. Charot. Yeah. Kasi I often wonder kung may mga Pilipino dito kasi marami sa kanila guys parang pare-pareho na rin yung mukha sa atin. Tapos nag-aalangan akong mag-approach kung hindi ko marinig na mag-Tagalog or magsalita ng Tagalog. So, ayan, limon.
Welcome to Costa Rica.
Oh, ayun pala guys, Norwegian. Norwegian Jade. Yan. Hello, hello! Shout out sa ating mga friends dyan, ang mga Pinoy na nagtatrabaho dito sa Norwegian Jade. Yan, kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan. Ano lang, I can't hear you. What else did I write? Daan muna kami dito guys. Bili lang kami ng mga fruits. Lang fruits kami. Wait. Isn't this too much? We don't need this much. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's fine. I can cut some for ikaw and ako as well. Dito na kami guys. Todo na to. It's so funny kasi nakita namin yung sister-in-law and brother-in-law ko doon sa park. Meron akong short clip. Yan. So, grabe. Ang layo ng binaktas natin, Daddy, no? We walked too far, isn't it?
It wasn't far.
It wasn't far? It wasn't far for you? Pag-ilom di, habi yun.
You were this.
Yeah, but
We walked one time. She said, "We gotta go walk. We gotta walk."
Okay.
And then she said,
Edit.
"Oh, I'm tired." Don't
but
edit it out.
we'll encourage the family to take a walk.
Yeah.
Oh, see? Ay, nako, that was fun. Anyway, I think this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you guys so
Hey,
much
now,
for
you
watching.
think it,
But wait, how many likes this video gets, I will upload the video with me and Brianna having a sleepover.
Yes,
I just
depending.
gotta send it from my phone to your phone, then you can upload it in your channel.
Okay. Please like and subscribe.